Hi everyone, this short video is intended to help you answer a question you might have asked yourself, which is how large a number can an integer hold, or how small a number can an integer hold. So here I've made an int called min, and there's a built-in constant which you can access by saying integer.min_value. Notice how I'm using my tabs, I'm not actually typing it, integer.mTab, max value. Okay, let's see what these things look like. So sout min and sout tab max. I'm going to run it. And there we have it. I know it's very tiny. Let's see, can I make it larger? Okay, so this is about 2.1 billion. This might seem like a very strange number. Well, so there's a bunch of things to notice. One is that the min value and the max value seem to be the same, except kind of off by 1. That's interesting. It also might seem strange, like this is a very particular value. Like why wouldn't it just go to 2 million, like a nice round value? These answers will be revealed soon. Let's run another experiment. Let's see what happens when we try and add 1 to the largest possible value. So I'm going to display max plus 1. Here we go. And what you might notice is if I have the maximum possible number and I add 1, it turns into the minimum possible number. So it sort of wraps around. That's called integer overflow, and it's a really big danger to be aware of when you're trying to do calculations with ints. Let's do the same thing for doubles. So I'll have, whoops. Okay, so I'll have double, what do I want to call it? Max double equals double dot max value, and we'll say min double equals double dot min value, and let's s out max double and s out min double. Okay, running it again. All right, so here it might look like it's 1.79, but this e means times 10 to the power of 308. So the largest possible double on my machine is 1.7 times 10 to the 308, which is an absolutely enormous number. The smallest possible double is 4.9 times 10 to the negative 324. That's a number that's extremely close to 0. You might wonder, well, wait a minute, why can't doubles hold negative numbers? In fact, you know that they can hold negative numbers. This is a sort of a strange inconsistency, but the idea is this is like the smallest precision that a double can represent. If you want to know what's the actual smallest value that it can have, that's negative max value, or the opposite of max value. And so if I run it now, you can see I've got the opposite of 1.7 times 10 to the 308. Okay, that's it for the moment. We will answer in the first week of class questions like why this number, and why does it have integer overflow when you add 1 to max value, and sort of what is it all about. But for now, just be aware that those things exist.